Hey everyone, it's Donna, and we're getting ready to do an unboxing for Wantable. This one was the Valentine edition, but it got delayed. I called them. They said that there were a few items they were waiting to get in stock that I had selected, and so they were waiting on the box, but I got it today, so I'm going to unpack it and show it to you and try to get this video out today. So hang on, let's take a look at the bundle. Hold on, now we'll shoot in on it. Here's the bundle. 9 items are in here. Looks like I've got some color. I requested this. I know I requested that. There may be 1 or 2 other items I requested. This bundle, if I wish to keep it, is $651.69. So let's get started. I'll hold them up and show them on and them to you, and then I'm going to do a try on. Hang on. Okay, let's get started. The first item is a cardigan, and I've told them I don't wear cardigans. But you never know. This could be the cardigan from heaven, and I would love this cardigan. It's by a company called Tea and Rose. It's a size medium. Some of their items will run small, and so they'll size up in it because they know. This is a soft touch sweater cardigan in spice color, $64. And they're right. I mean, I think it's a little bit, you can see it's a smaller cut, and it's a long cardigan. Ooh, I better be careful. It's a long cardigan. Nothing on the back, and there we go. So there's one down. Next item we have, and I may like this, 78 and Sunny. This is a small. The Breaker V-neck sweatshirt in amber. Wouldn't that be cute, lined with a blue jean shirt? That would be cute. Here's what it is. Here's the back. Has a band at the bottom. There are cuff sleeves. Kind of like the color. Okay. So the next item we have, and I requested this, it was a brighter pink, a little more oomph to it. This is by C's. It's got stretch to it, which I like. I don't know if I'm going to love the color of it though. This is $109. It's a Valencia jacket in rouge by C's. And it's just basically a blue jean jacket, but it has it in a rose color. The sleeves are snap. No, they're button. They're a button sleeve. So I'll be curious to try that on. I wanted to show you the mica jeans first. So let's back up and take a look at them. I like the length. At this point, when we're going into spring, this will be fun to wear with some sandals. So I may keep these. I like them. There's something about these jeans I like. I like the color. I like everything about them. They're ragged on the end. I look a little homeless, I know, but hey, they're cute. They're cute. So hang on, let's try on some other things. Okay, I've got on the Great Lakes shirt. And like I said, it fits. But if I were to buy something like a sweatshirt like this, I'd probably want it the next size up just so it fits a little baggier and slouchier. I like that look. So this is probably not going to work for me. We've got more. Hang on. Okay, I've got the 78 and Sunny's top on and the Democracy shorts on. Let me back up and show it to you. Okay, Love the shorts. Love them, love them, love them. They are comfortable. They are the right length. They are perfect for me. The top is, I love the collar, but I don't like, it just seems a little plain. And I know I can dress it up with some jewelry and whatever, but it just doesn't feel right to me either. The sleeves are a little tight at the very end. I don't know if you guys have ever had that feeling when you put something on and it just doesn't feel good at the cuff. This is it for me. I can't do it. Anyway, hang on, we've got more. Okay, I've got on this dolman top. That's the large, you can see through it, weave. Let me show it to you. Now, part of me loves this thing because it's so different. But then another part of me says, I hate this thing because am I going to have to adjust it all the time? I love that it has elastic right here, so it's not going anywhere. But the top of it is a little, you know, looser up here, and it can slide back. So I don't know if I would be constantly trying to adjust this. I have no clue what I would be doing with this. I'll have to think about this one because I do like it, but am I in love with it? I don't know. I might be. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think of this thing. It's just kind of different. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've got on the Seas jacket, S-E-A-S, Seas jacket. What do you think? I left one sleeve down so you can see the length. I am 5'5", so you can see how it fits me here. I usually wear jean jackets. I cuff them at the sleeve just because I like the more open feel to it. But this is a roomy jacket. It has a lot of stretch and it's comfortable. I love this, the way it moves on me. So this, and I love the color. I hand selected this jacket, and I think that's why we had the delay in getting this box. But I'm glad I waited. So I think I'm going to keep it. Last item is the tea and rose cardigan. And it's a longer one. I threw it on with some jeans to give it some justice, but it goes down to my knee. Do I like it? Well, let's see. Let's look at the sleeves. It kind of is a little long for me, but I can turn it up. I don't know. What do you think? It has 2 pockets. Where's the other one here? 2 pockets. Okay, so I chose 3 items out of this box. I am buying this jacket. I love the color, I love the fit. And let me show you the other 2 items that I selected. I bought the Democracy shorts, utility shorts. I know I will use these a lot. And I bought the Mica Distress jeans. So those were the items. If you buy 3 items, I'll get $30 off since I'm in the VIP group. And that's what we did. Okay, so I'm going to sign off for right now. I hope you'll please subscribe. I hope you'll check out my other videos. And in the description box down below there of my video, there is a link. If you'd like to try a Wantable box for your first time, if you click my link, because I'm an affiliate to them, you'll get $25 off your first box. So I hope you check it out. It's a lot of fun. You don't like it, free shipping back. So anyway, please subscribe and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.